Hello friends, welcome to our numbers fun time. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. Yeah. This is number 1. Say with me 1. Yes, 1 sun. Good. Let's clap one time. Clap. Do you wanna try again? Yes. Clap. Good. Look here. 1 dog. 1 dog. 1 strawberry. Yummy, yummy strawberry. Do you like strawberry? Yes? Good. It's healthy for you. This is number 2. Say with me 2. 2 car. 1 and 2 and 2 hands. 1 and 2. 2 hands. 2 hands. Now clap your hands 2 times. 1 and 2. Yes. 2 balls. 1 and 2. 2 balls. Say with me again. 2 balls. Good job. Now number 3. Yes, 3. 3 sticks. 1, 2, and 3. 3 sticks. Let's count again. 1, 2, and yes, you can. 3. Good job. 3 cat. 1, 2, and 3. Meow meow. I love cat. Do you? Yes. Number 4. Now, number 4. F, 4. 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 blocks. Yes, 4 blocks. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. Goofy friends. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. 4 wheels on a bus. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Here number 5. 5 fingers. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 5 and 5 birds. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Here is number 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 sticks. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hooray! Good job! Good job! Here is number 7. 7. 7 colors of the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Number 8. Say with me, 8. 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 apples. Yummy, yummy apple. Say with me, 8 apples. Good. Here is number 9. 9. 9 flowers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9. Good job.
Good job. 10.
Number 10. 10 toes on our feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let
5,
me help you, okay? Now count with me. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 blocks. Can you say?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
এখন এখান থেকে
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Good job, Yeshua. Good job.
And
Subscribe my channel for more fun learning videos. And like and share, please. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.